Hi viewers, I hope all are doing best. Today I am going to tell you how to join two pieces of cloth in this video. So here I am taking two pieces of cloth and I will join these two pieces of cloth. So before joining this, you have to take the thread and you have to thread the machine. As I told in the previous video, you have to put here and from here to this hole and from to this ring and again to this needle. You have to keep the thread sharp to insert the thread into the needle. So you have to fill, as I told in the previous video, so you have to fill the bobbin with the thread and you have to put it in this and you have to pull this from this part to this part. See, I am showing from here, this split is there now, from here to this hole. So now you have to check this and then open the door of the machine and insert this into the shuttle as I told in the previous video. So I'm going to join a cloth today. So pull up the lever, insert, hold the thread. So put two pieces of cloth, see here I'm showing that two pieces has been joined, right? So this is the way we have to join the two pieces of cloth. So now we have seen the joints of the cloth, right? Two pieces of cloth we have joined. So from this I'm going to prepare the dory which we have been used for the petticoats and pajamas. We will use the thread dory, right? For that I'm going to use this cloth. To stitch the dory, what we have to do is, first as I told in the previous video, we have to fold the cloth one, and from this side two, and this side like this. If we fold two pieces like this, 1 2 3, this will become three fold. How much ever width you need, you can fold it into the small also, there is no problem. We have to cut the small piece and we have to fold it like small also, depending on our usage. So after folding like this, you have to keep it here. Same pull the lever. I'm showing, right? For total cloth you should like this. When you get up to here, you should stop the machine and again you need to follow the same until you complete this cloth. So I am showing you how I prepared the dory for the petticoats and whatever the usage we need. This is the one kind of dory making. So this is very easy. If you practice this, it will come. So try by folding three folds, you will get this kind of preparing the dory. And in this video only I want to explain the small kind of thing, that is I want to do pleats. How we have to make the pleats? Now we have we know that we have I told in the previous video foldings and joinings, and I told you today about this dory folding also and finishing the edges also. Today I'll tell how to pleat a cloth. So I have taken small piece of cloth. I will show one method. There are types of pleats we are using in different situations, in different designs. We will use different types of pleats. So now I'll show the basic pleats how we will do for while we need the pleats. So take this kind of cloth, same, pull up the lever. So now you have placed the cloth right. So here what you need to do is, if you have any pin kind of thing, then you can just put the cloth under the pressure foot as I shown. See, one fold. This is one. Again you have to pull up the lever and you have to pull down, and again one fold, like this. On the experience base you will get the fastness in this. So you don't understand, right? That's why I am explaining. So this is the pleating the cloth. So this is the pleating the cloth. So we can use the pleats this side and also this side. It will be both in same sides. So there are some more types of pleats I will explain in next video. So if you learn like this, practicing, we can start the stitching a frock. So practice pleating and start stitching the frocks. So if you like the video, please share, subscribe my channel, comment. If you have any doubts, please comment. Please click on the bell button if you like my videos. You will get notification for further videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.